Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of our home here at 4D Farms, where we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Y'all come on in and see what we're all about, because we want our channel to encourage you and inspire you on your journey. If you see something that you like, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. That helps our channel grow and reach more people. If you want to subscribe, and if you think other people can benefit from our videos, please share them. Y'all, we hope to see you in each and every video, and most of all, thanks for watching. Y'all, I'm a stinking genius. Well, I like to tell myself that anyway. It makes me feel good anyway. I can make pickled onions, bread. Now I can make some bread and butter pickles on the road. I have done it. Okay, y'all saw my little short where I'm making pickled onions, okay? I'm just taking that same simple brine recipe, and all I'm doing is adding, to make them bread and butter pickles, because I like that flavor of that brine in those pickled onions. And now I'm going to make some bread and butter pickles using that same brine. The only thing I'm going to add to it is pickling spice. This stuff smells amazing, even when you drop it in the floor. And y'all, instead of using cucumbers, I'm going to do the same thing I do back home when I make pickles, and use zucchini. I'm a stinking genius. Okay, let's do this. Y'all, we love the flavor of the quick refrigerator pickled onions. And I did a short on that if you want to know how I did it. But I'm like, you know what? Why can't I make bread and butter pickles? And just pick up some zucchini and do them just like I do pickles back home. So I'm just combining the best of both worlds. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to finish cutting up this zucchini. I've already got the pickling spice added to my jar. About a tablespoon. We'll start out with that. If I see that I need some more, all I got to do is just add some more. I'm going to load up my jar with the zucchini. I've got my brine over here on the stove simmering, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, y'all, got it all full. I went ahead and boiled my brine like you would normally if you're doing this, you know, canning and preserving, but I transferred it to a bowl with a spout to where this will pour easier than you know, stuff going everywhere. We're just gonna fill up our jar. Oh, this one's going to do the same thing. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Y'all, the good thing about this is, let me concentrate here. All right, I want to cover all of the zucchini. Ah, that's hot. Okay, I want to cover all the zucchini. Y'all know the good thing about this is, you're not having to put this in a water bath processor. You're not going to be concentrating on sealing the jar and storing these in the pantry. These are quick refrigerator pickles and pickled onions. You can't get more simpler than that. I'm going to wipe my rim off. That jar's hot. And y'all, I'm crying because as the brine was simmering on the stove, I cut that red onion. Yeah, I'm crying. I'm not crying. You're crying. No, I'm crying. Okay. And then all we're going to do is put our lid and ring on. I will let these cool off on the counter. Let me do this right quick, because I want those pickled spices to get all the way through these zucchini. Ah, that's hot. Okay. Look at that. Look. I'm stinking genius. Some people would, you know, beg to differ about that, you know, like family. Okay? I'm a stinking genius. Look at this. I'm going to let these cool. Yes, it will probably pop the seal as it's cooling because this is hot brine, okay? So, when it does cool off, then I will put them in the refrigerator and just let them marinate. I'm going to give these at least 7 days. And then We'll do a taste test, and if I see that I need to add more of this, I will. The rest of this brine is going to go in here. That made me cry, and we will have pickled onions for like deli sandwiches, pizzas, all kinds of things. And then also, if we don't eat these as pickles, I can take these out, run them in a little food processor, chop them up, and have relish. Oh, y'all like for deviled eggs and all such as this. But these are going to be good on sandwiches too. Y'all, the quick pickled onion recipe is on my phone, which I'm using at the moment. I will type the brine recipe in the description box below. The brine will be the same for the pickles and the onions, but you're just going to add this. And I will add this to the recipe, and I'll type it up in the description box below. I cannot wait to try these. Goody, goody, goody. Y'all, I'm just one of those that I'm passionate. If it interests me and I think I can do it, I think I can make it, I'm going to try. Okay? And we just tried. All right. So I will catch y'all in the next one. Catch the recipe down below.